Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today I'm going to be opening up more of the Pixar boxes. It's, I guess the second week of opening 3 boxes at a time. So far we've done really well. Last week I believe I pulled something good out of a box every single day, so thank you for everybody joining me, and hopefully having fun with the videos. How did you guys like the Mickey Mouse, the Hot Box Coco Wow? Let me know in the comments if I should keep doing those. I have almost a case of them, so yeah. So let me know in the comments if I should keep doing them. Oop, no winner there. Or I'll just open them up and just any good cards, I'll just list them on eBay. So let me know if you were interested. I felt like they were okay. I wasn't as impressed as I am with these cards, but I mean they were retro, different cards. So far, 2 boxes and no winners, but like last week proved, we still pull out a winner card even if we don't get a winner card. Alright, let's get going. If you want any cards, feel free to go to my website, plushgamesandmore.com. I have a bunch of these cards. I have packs. I have boxes. I was going to open that up first. I don't know why. I have packs. I have boxes. There you go. We got first 2, Buzz and Malin. Packs. I got sets. I got pretty much anything you want. I did finally put together a set of the common cards. So if you want a set of the common cards, if anybody wants a set of the silver cards, let me know. I will make a set of those too. Come on, get out of there. Russell did not want to get out of there. And if you want a really nice set, I have the binder. That's just the checklist. I have a binder with a complete set of commons and silver up for sale too, so feel free. When you come, let me know when you make an offer that you watch me on YouTube or TikTok, and we're gonna make a deal. I had one person buy a bunch of film cells last week, so that was an awesome deal there. I believe we bought 7 or 8 of the different film cells. I have a lenticular and a Hank. So yeah, he started collecting them, so he was super happy to know that I had everything that he needed, at least in the film cells. He said he might come back and buy the Easter eggs from me, so we'll see. Alright, come on, we gotta find something good. Wonder if we're ever gonna find the elusive 101. The elusive One Piece. Come on. This one does not want to open. Jesse did not want to get out of the pack. Come on. We got to hit something good. At least a gold or something different. We have a dirty rat. Alfonso. Oh, Alfredo holding the rat. I know I always call him Alfonso. We have a Jack trying to shoot his father still. And a Rex. Yeah, so this has been super fun, so hopefully everybody has been enjoying it. People seem to be watching still, so if people stop watching, then I might not make them anymore, but people seem to be watching and liking it. If you sit on a shelf for the rest of your life, you'll never find out. So, yeah, so let me know you're enjoying it. Have you gotten any cards? Are you planning on buying any cards? Do you have a collection that you're enjoying right now? I know Lorcana just came out. I'm so sick of being perfect. I'm never gonna be good enough for her or anyone. I know Lorcana just came out. I'm not a fan of Lorcana. They're pretty cheap cards, so. And I don't really like the pictures of Lorcana, but I see a lot of people are enjoying them. So if you're enjoying them, if you focus on what you've left behind, you'll never be able to see what lies ahead. So yeah, I don't really enjoy Pokemon either, but I mean that's the most popular thing out there. I did watch the I guess Pokemon's called anime, kind of. Oh, we got a gold card. Here we go. We got a Bob Parr gold card. Continuing our streak of good luck. It is 90 out of 199. Sweet card there. Is Pokemon considered just a cartoon or an anime? Well, it's not a manga. I don't know. Got a Hank and a Russell. And if you're watching on TikTok, get over to YouTube. I can use the views on YouTube. I don't get paid from TikTok yet. I mean, unless you bring your friends, and a lot of them. We got the Emotions of Inside Out. And a Slinky Dog. So, we've had really good luck on these boxes. And I'm glad we're continuing. Alright, we are almost done with the packs, and then we'll open the big encased cards. See what good we got. Here's the creepy guy again. No! So creepy. Look at his face. I can't take it. So scary. Alright, let's get rid of some of this trash real fast. Because I made a mess. I don't know why I bring a trash can and then just throw it here. Alright, let's see what's in these things. Let's see what we got. Ta-da! Oh, he had a Buzz film cell. Look at that. That is sweet. There we go. And what's next? Oh, another Bob Parr. If you were here last week, I think I got 4 or 5 of them last week. Oh, here we go. Another sweet card. I don't even think I have this card. This is embroidered patch from Soul. Look at that guy. He is limited 155 out of 166. You can see the close-up. Trying to get the glare off of it. Let's see him up close and personal. This is a sweet card. Look at that. There's only 166 of these guys. So we had 2 big hits in these 2 boxes. Really nice. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. I'm going to go list all these guys after I do a few more videos. Take care, everybody. Bye.